Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. Today our topic is to understand calculation of average, standard deviation and relative standard deviation in Excel. We will define it first. Number 1. Average or mean. Usually have an abbreviation. X bar is the sum of all data points divided by total number of data points, but in Excel we can calculate it directly. Number 2. Standard deviation or SD. It shows how data points are spread around the average. It has two types, low SD and high SD. Low SD means data points are assembled near the average, and high SD means they are spread over wide range. Number 3. Relative standard deviation or RSD. It is calculated in terms of percentage by formula, that is SD over average multiplied by 100. Lower percentage of RSD indicates higher precision between data points. Let's understand these parameters by an example. Electricity voltage fluctuates between 230 to 240 volt for household appliances. We will take data points in terms of 6 readings and apply these 3 parameters. Readings are 238, 239, 240, 237, 236 and 238. Calculate the average. We can select any cell. Put is equal to. Do not press enter here. Directly type average. Open the bracket. Select all data points. Close the bracket and only press enter here. Here we get the average. This is how we calculate average by using Excel sheet. Now calculating SD. Again select any cell. Put is equal to. Type STDEVA. Open the bracket. Select all data points. Close the bracket. Press enter. So we get the standard deviation. Unit of SD is same as of data points, that is volt. For calculating RSD, select a cell. Put is equal to. Select cell of SD. Type forward slash. It is used as division sign in Excel. Select cell of average. Type asterisk. This sign is used for multiplication in Excel. Type 100. Press enter. So this is the RSD. Unit is percentage. Lower limit of RSD shows higher precision in pharmaceutical applications. Limit of RSD is not more than 2. Other applications have their own standard limits. Let's give some formatting to the cells. Once the formula structure is ready, changing values will automatically calculate parameters. So create and save it for future use. Thanks and goodbye for now.